Hello. How are you doing? I'm with my daughter. And we're gonna walk down this street right here in the typhoon. And we got a nice little guard so we can catch it kind of good. And we're also gonna talk about the typhoon a little bit as well. And also just kind of tell you there's kind of some interesting stuff around here. So I think, for example, you see the police, they're setting up the rain guards because it's a typhoon. It just hit category 8. And some of the buses, I think people are waiting for those too. So it's kind of interesting. There they are setting those up. And let me just go this way. And I'm just gonna capture that. And we're gonna walk directly down that way. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So check out this beautiful street and my daughter right there. And we're next to an antique shop as well. So this is kind of a nice shop, but everything you can see is closing the typhoons. So they're setting up their rain guards right there. And I'm with my daughter, and we're just gonna check it all out and see what we can see. And it just hit category 8 as well, right?
It did?
Yeah, at 4:30. So we are gonna walk down this way. Should we do it? She says yes. Let me flip this around like this. Oh, usually I can see the video, but I can't see it today. Good to see. Look, I'm just gonna let that person go. I want to run across real quick. I just want to see what this little thing is right here. This is kind of interesting because there's a little backhoe in here. And so I'm just gonna walk in real quick. You want to check it out? We're just gonna walk in because I haven't seen that little backhoe, but it just goes in this little alley like this. In the toilet. Oh, maybe we're gonna go back out. You know what I just saw? You see that toilet right there? There's a bathroom right there. Somebody's using the toilet and they just closed the door. So that's actually like, that might be somebody's bathroom. So we're out here in the typhoon, and we're just gonna kind of check it all out, and we're gonna try not to get too wet. Right here is a hotel. And I got my daughter here. What do you think about those buildings right there?
They look like they're from a long time ago.
I think so too. I think what I know, I think this one is like this Art Deco style, and they used to build stuff like that. They put like round off the edges a little bit, and I think that's called the Art Deco. And then this one just looks like kind of an old historical one, and looks like it's a little bit dilapidated, not so taken care of anymore. Got some more little alleys like that. So we're kind of in this area called, we're in the Macau side. So basically this area, it's actually down this way is Pont 16. So right down that way you can see that yellow building right there. That is where the harbor is at. So that's where all the ships would used to come in historically.
I think it's called Ponte 19.
Ponte? Yeah, Ponte 19 or 16?
I forgot.
I forget too.
19 or 16.
I forget. But I think you're right with the pronunciation, Ponte. I think I say, she knows better Portuguese and Chinese than I do, so.
Ponte 19 or 16?
Yeah, that's what I think too, Pont 16 or 19.
16.
So all these people, they're kind of getting some last minute food. Some of these restaurants will stay open during the typhoon, so. We got all these little alleys everywhere. Hey, you look kind of cool right next to that. Did that surprise you a little bit?
Kind
You didn't expect a man to be standing right there, right? Looks like he's fishing. And there's a little bit of stories here. So this is about story statue of two fish lift beam. So Luban. So I have to read the whole story right there. It's right there if somebody wants to read it. But they got that, and I think this is also a museum as well. And we got this museum as well. This guy. This is the Luban story statue lead rope reflection. So I guess it's carpentry trade. Okay, so this is actually like artisan kind of stuff. Let's go down a little bit further. Another alley. Lots of rain. Oh, this is our street name, by the way. Rua de Camilo Pessanha.
Camilo.
How do you say that?
Rua de Camilo Pessanha.
How about in Chinese? Can you read that? That means I don't know. Oops. More alleys from Chinese medicine. And we're almost at the main street. We're gonna go down there, and what we're gonna see down at the main street, we were just driving by a little while ago, was that we saw a lot of buses everywhere. So right now, all lined up, right? And the reason is because at 4:30 all the buses stop, so they'll stop in a category 8. So we're gonna just kind of check that out and see. And so that category 8 just hit. Huh. Could also see inside here today. This used to be an old pawn shop, but I've never seen inside before. But it looks kind of cool. Oh yeah. Actually, this is also to be noted too, because it's a typhoon and there's storm surge. So when there's storm surge, they'll say like, okay, there could be like 1 meter of water in this area. This is called San Malo area. So they might say, okay, in San Malo, expect a storm surge of 1.5. Oh, they got speakers too. That I think was for COVID, and I think I might have it for typhoons as well, maybe. I'm just going to run across real quick. I want to see what. We kind of got a yin yang statue and the Macau ruins. Let's come back this way, and we're going to just walk straight ahead a little bit. And now we're inside the rain guard area, and then right here we're just gonna look down and just look at our buses. So we got a bus there, and these are the last buses that are coming down. And then I think when they run their course, there won't be any more. So that'll be the end of it. But anyways, we just kind of got outside just before the typhoon, and
It's 4:38.
4:38. So that means that those buses, they won't be going out anymore. So anybody that doesn't catch those buses are kind of stranded wherever they're at. And this is our target street, which is Rua de Camilo Pessanha. And that's the one that we just filmed.
Pessanha.
Pessanha. Got a nasal yeah sound. Pessanha. Anything you want to say before we turn off for the street?
Be careful when you're in a typhoon.
Oh, so true. Wiser words have never been said. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.